The Lux Collection is a new product line with a chic new look and exciting multifunction capability. The red light therapy fights wrinkles and fine lines and increases collagen and elastin production in the skin. The blue light therapy kills acne-causing bacteria to fight acne and prevent future breakouts. The red and blue light combo addresses both acne and wrinkles all at once. It's rechargeable, so no need to be connected to a cord, which makes it very useful to drop in your purse and take with you on the go. Treatments only take 3 minutes per area, and you can use it anywhere on your body.
This is what I looked like last week, and of course this is what I look like now, so definitely helping with the hyperpigmentation around my nose, cheeks, and acne around my face area.
I tried the Revive Life Therapy Lux Collection Glo one on only one side, so that way I can show you guys how crazy it is.
This is me before, and then this is me glowing after the glow.